All right, y'all. I had to do it. I saw it and I wanted it. Artic Aire electrically reversible model 2077. Jeez please. Serial number 101200. Has a thermostat, and yes, again, it's reversible. I can't find any other stickers or anything. I'm really thinking Fasco makes this because of that blade. Oh, let me show you the blade from the front. It has those little scoops to direct air. You guys can't see. There you go. Man, but yeah, the price was right. The distance was kind of far, but I had to go on and do it. I ain't cleaned this up or nothing yet. Look how cool this has to be from the 70s. I'm guessing that 77 is 1977. Probably, I guess, February of 77 maybe. If somebody knows, drop it in the comments. But yeah, out of all the box fans I have, I don't have any with that grill. And there's only one break in this one. Where is it? Right here. So they ain't too bad. They're gonna make it work. Alright. Blade spin freely. I plugged it up. 117. Well, the fridge is on its own same circuit, so let's see if we can get some startup sounds. This one's out. Let's start it on in. There's another break. She's purring. Turn this off. That is nice. Nice balance on the blades and everything. Oh yeah. Okay. I like that directional airflow. Still feel some air directly in front of it. Over here is the strongest. Let's take it to high. Quit playing. Y'all, I completely spazzed. Didn't even see how many amps it was drawing. $2.34. All right. Oh, I don't know if the thermostat works or not. I'm gonna say it doesn't. Because it's pretty cool in here. Alright. I'm willing to bet the airflow is going to be trash on exhaust. Decent spin down. I'm not mad at it. Y'all know my favorite color is blue, so whenever I get a blue fan. Alright, let's see what amps draw. Let's start on low. Out. Seems like it's running faster. Maybe because the blade doesn't scoop as much air. Y'all hear it ramping up? Yeah, she's getting faster. Let's go to medium. Not high. I can't wait to see how good this thing cleans up. Alright, y'all. No need to make this video any longer. Sorry I goofed on the amp draw. But there you have it, my Artic Aire model 2077. Thanks for watching. Alright, y'all.